Dental bridges, what you need to know about their installation. If you're missing tooth, bridges for dental may be an ideal solution for restoring the appearance of your smile and enhance the general health of your teeth. The video below will go over everything you need to learn about dental bridges, such as how they are installed, as well as what you can expect from the process. What are dental bridges? Dental bridges are fixed prostheses, which are utilized for replacing tooth loss. They comprise two major parts comprising the pontic, artificial tooth, and the abutment tooth, natural teeth, or the dental implant that helps support the bridge. Dental bridges can be constructed using a variety of materials such as ceramic, porcelain, alloy, or any combination of all these substances. Types of dental bridges. There are many types of dental bridges. These include classic bridges, bridges that cantilever, Maryland bridges, as well as implant-supported bridges. Which type of bridge best fits your needs depends on your individual dental needs as well as the state of your existing teeth. The installation process. The construction of bridges for dental use generally requires a minimum of 2 dental visits. At the beginning of your appointment, the abutment teeth will be removed by removing a little amount of enamel to allow enough space to fit the bridge. Abutment tooth impressions and surrounding teeth are taken and used to make the perfect bridge to fit exactly inside the mouth of your. When the bridge that will be permanent is being made in a dental lab, temporary bridges can be put in place to shield the teeth of the abutment and avoid any pain. After the permanent bridge has been made prepared, it's installed and then cemented. What to expect during the procedure? The procedure of installing dental bridges is a fairly simple and painless process that's generally performed under local anesthesia. It is possible to experience mild pain and sensitivity during the weeks following the procedure. However, this can be controlled using a painkiller that is available over the counter. When the bridge is put in place after the bridge is installed, it's important to ensure good oral hygiene in order to stay clear of any problems. That means flossing and brushing often, in addition to regularly scheduled dental examinations as well as cleanings. Benefits of dental bridges. There are numerous benefits associated with dental bridges. They can improve oral health, improve talking and chewing ability, along with a more aesthetically attractive smile. Dental bridges can also stop the adjacent teeth from shifting off their place and may cause further dental problems. Cost of dental bridges. The price of dental bridges may vary according to factors including the form of bridge used, the type of material utilized, and the level of complexity of the process. The majority of the time, dental bridges are regarded as a value-for-money alternative to replace missing teeth when compared with other alternatives including implants for dental purposes. Dental bridges, in general, provide a reliable and safe method of restoring lost teeth and enhancing your dental health. If you're missing your teeth and are contemplating bridges for your teeth, you should be sure to talk to an experienced dentist in order for the ideal procedure for your unique demands. Make sure you follow your dentist's guidelines for post-procedure treatment for the longevity of your dental bridge.